And so we'll take this lamb and we'll turn it into a beautiful curry. We'll take that couscous, we'll crisp it up and make a nice base and some texture for it. I just left Brooklyn. I haven't had any good Caribbean food since I've gotten to the West Coast, and I'm really just fiending for it. I'm gonna take a little bit of coconut oil. Coconut oil is something that is found in a lot of Caribbean cooking. And not only are we gonna use coconut oil, we're also gonna use a little bit of coconut cream at the end as well. What we wanna do is start off by blooming our seasonings. And this is something that if you don't do, a lot of West Indian people won't eat your food because it's like I don't know, there's something about cooking down your curry that if somebody sees you not cook down your curry, they'll say they're gonna get sick and they'll look at you crazy, all right? So I like to put my turmeric and my curry into the pan. I'll move it all to one side like this, right? And I'll just stir it all together. Now, I'm gonna add in my ground ginger, and now I'm gonna start adding in my vegetables. So we got some carrot, we got some onion, and all I wanna do is just go around and make sure that they all get nice and coated. Next, we're gonna put in our potatoes. Potatoes also create that nice creamy liquid that we get in our curry. And so this is a very important step and a very important ingredient because nobody wants a watery curry, right? I'm gonna add this coconut milk into here. You use coconut milk, you use coconut cream. There we go. So now that that's on a simmer, I'm gonna just pop in a sprig of thyme. We'll cook that down and just let that go, all right? The cast iron is hot. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil and some butter. And we're just going to put this right on top. We got our beautiful couscous from our family meal. And now what I wanna do is just press it all into our pan. You want as much surface area as you can get so that you get a nice crust on our couscous. So now our curry is nice and bubbly, is simmering. And I'm just gonna take this lamb shank and just start to throw those pieces in there. Here, let's just take it right here. Boom. Take it right off. Look at that. That thing. That thing just coming apart. I'm gonna mix this up real quick too. So I'm gonna just make sure all of that lamb is incorporated. So what I'm gonna do is take those green beans, put just a little bit of olive oil, okay? Next, just a little bit of butter. I had a stick. That ain't too much. And a little bit of garlic. But I'm gonna add that garlic right before I put that those green beans in. Boom, right? And I'm gonna just add those right in, just like that. Let it cook down a little bit. And we're gonna plate up our solo meal. We're gonna start with our couscous, nice and crispy. And I'm just gonna layer this on the bottom. I'm gonna take this curry and I'm going to just layer this on top. Try to get some of that sauce as well, right? There we go. All right. I'm gonna take that Haricot Vert, fresh off the flame. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. All right. With just a little bit of lime juice. We've got our crispy couscous, we have our Haricot Vert, and the star of the show, we have our beautiful, lovely, silky lamb curry. And I'm gonna take another bite of this. That's not good.